These 5 AI tools cost $135 per month total versus a $5,000 a month employee. I tested them all. Quick preview: Tidio, Publer, QuickBooks, Bravo, and Jasper. Links on screen. Right off the top. That sentence sounds ridiculous, but stick with me. I tried to recreate the day-to-day workflows of a full-time remote employee. Customer support, social media, bookkeeping, email marketing, content writing using modern AI tools so you can see what's realistic right now. The delivery is fast, modern, and clean. Think quick cuts, UI close-ups, and text overlays showing tool names and exact prices. I'll walk through each tool and give you the practical verdicts: what worked, what felt brittle, and where a human still matters. The goal here isn't to glorify replacement or to pretend AI is perfect. It's to show capability and cost-effectiveness. Expect demo screens, time lapses of workflows, on-screen pros and cons, and a cost breakdown at the end. Let's jump in. I started with customer support. Customer support is often the most time-sensitive part of running an online business. Tidio AI handles it with 24/7 chat automation and smart replies for just $29 a month. I fed it a batch of common support queries and let it run overnight. The AI responses were conversational, not canned, sounding like a trained rep who's learned the knowledge base. I tested escalation paths, and the bot smartly routed complex issues to human support when its confidence dropped, preventing wrong answers. Setup was fast. I created intent triggers and templates in under an hour. Metrics-wise, resolution rates for routine requests were solid, and I saw a notable drop in average handle time. Complex disputes and nuanced refunds still needed human empathy or negotiation, but for Tier 1 support, this was excellent. One caveat: the knowledge base must be accurate and well-structured. Garbage in, garbage out still applies. I spent time cleaning FAQs and standard responses, which improved the bot's accuracy significantly. Another practical win is multilingual support and canned workflows for different channels like web chat and Facebook Messenger. That consolidated what used to be multiple tools in my stack. Combined with a $29 price tag, this felt like a robust, inexpensive layer to cover a lot of ground. It's not fully autonomous for high-stakes customer interactions, but as an always-on first responder, it massively reduces load. If your support queue is mostly routine, $29 a month here buys you reliability and time back. Next up, social media. Consistent posting eats time and mental bandwidth. Publer AI schedules, repurposes, and optimizes social posts for just $12 a month. I watched a single blog post turn into multiple tailored social posts in minutes. It created variations, picked optimal times, and pushed them to all my platforms. Automation is its strength. What used to take hours became an afternoon of oversight. Integration is straightforward. Connect accounts, add your assets, set templates. I did need to check platform-specific restrictions or manual approvals occasionally, especially Instagram visual composition. Still, the workflow remained streamlined. It didn't eliminate human creativity, but it removed the busy work. At $12 a month, this felt like a no-brainer for maintaining consistency and reclaiming hours from manual scheduling. If your bottleneck is execution more than ideation, Publer fixes that beautifully. It's a force multiplier for content ops. Bottom line, Publer turns a scattered posting process into a steady engine. Combined with a little human oversight for creative direction, it keeps your brand active without hiring a dedicated social manager. Chapter 3. QuickBooks AI, $30 Mo. Accounting is tedious, but QuickBooks AI automates bookkeeping for just $30 a month. I tested it by importing a month of transactions. The AI accurately categorized routine items like subscriptions and office supplies. For ambiguous transactions, it flagged them with suggestions, which I quickly reviewed and accepted in a batch. The result? A presentation-ready profit and loss summary, saving me hours of manual work. There are limits. Complex tax allocations, payroll nuances, industry-specific accounting rules still require an accountant's oversight. QuickBooks AI doesn't replace an accountant for compliance. Think of it as the pre-accountant that cuts down the prep time dramatically. My accountant appreciated the cleaner books and charged less time for review. Integration with invoicing and payment platforms meant fewer manual entries. I set up rules for recurring expenses and vendor-specific categorizations, which the AI then applied automatically. Over a couple of billing cycles, accuracy improved as the system learned patterns. For $30 a month, this essentially outsourced day-to-day bookkeeping prep to a capable assistant. It reduced monthly admin time and made financials more consistent. It's the kind of foundational automation that scales with business growth. Final take: QuickBooks AI turned a headache into a routine check-in. You still need a professional for tax strategy, but for operational bookkeeping, it's an enormous time saver. Chapter 4. Email is still a high ROI channel when done right. Brevo AI focuses on creating and automating those campaigns. Brevo AI builds and automates email campaigns with templates and personalization. $25 a month. I tested everything from welcome sequences to re-engagement drip campaigns, powered with dynamic personalization tokens. First name last product viewed recent purchase. The template library is clean and modern with responsive previews, and the AI suggested subject lines and preview text, optimized for open rates. I ran A/B tests on subject lines, letting Brevo choose send times based on historical engagement, slightly improved click-through rates. The personalization features felt sophisticated and easy to implement. Automations are visual and easy to chain. Triggers, delays, conditional splits, all drag and drop. I built a cart abandonment flow and included an automated follow-up sequence with progressively stronger incentives. The AI monitored engagement and adjusted the timing cadence, which reduced manual micro-optimizations. Deliverability tools and spam score suggestions were useful. Brevo gave actionable notes to improve copy and avoid deliverability pitfalls. It's those small nudges that matter when a campaign's success can hinge on inbox placement. Reports aggregated opens, clicks, and conversion events so I could attribute revenue lift. There are scalability considerations. List hygiene and segmentation strategy become critical and sometimes require a human strategist. The AI handles segmentation suggestions, but the strategic layer, who to target and when, benefits from human insight. Still, Brevo took over a huge chunk of the mechanical work. At $25 monthly, this was a cost-effective way to keep email marketing consistent and testing-driven. Chapter 5. Content creation is a time-consuming bottleneck. Jasper AI at $39 a month produces long-form blog posts, product copy, and social captions. Its long-form mode and batch generation features gave me structured drafts, dropping my drafting time from hours to minutes. Human editing is still essential to verify facts and refine the output, as Jasper can hallucinate if prompts are vague. Human-in-the-loop review is non-negotiable. Paired with good prompts and a clear brief, it accelerates ideation and execution. The platform helped repurpose content, turning a long blog into tweet threads, captions, and short-form video scripts. Combine Jasper outputs with Publer scheduling and you automate a full content funnel from idea to publish. For $39 more, Jasper felt like a junior writer who cranks out polished drafts. Creative direction stayed with me. Drafting mechanics were handled reliably. Bottom line, Jasper is a productivity multiplier, not a replacement for editorial judgment. Outro. After testing these tools together, the practical result is clear. You can automate a tremendous amount of day-to-day operations for a fraction of traditional payroll. Total monthly cost, $135 per month, versus a $5,000 a month employee. Massive savings. Tidio handling frontline support, Publer owning social scheduling, QuickBooks tidying finances, Brevo running email funnels, Jasper generating content. That doesn't mean humans aren't needed. Strategic thinking, relationship management, high-stakes negotiations still require people, but for routine execution coordination scale, this AI stack cuts costs and buys time. The visuals you saw throughout, UI close-ups, overlaid prices, workflow demos, are the exact screens I used during testing. Recap: Tidio, Publer, QuickBooks, Brevo, and Jasper. Links below. I'll keep testing and sharing practical setups like this, so you can make smarter decisions on when to automate and when to hire.